Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hande and today we are making healthy ice cream. As you remember, in my previous videos I made some cookies and some people really loved it, so I thought that I should make another recipe for my followers, for my subscribers. So today we are making a really healthy and smooth ice cream for you. If you are ready, let's get started. Hello again. For our recipe we need just 3 ingredients. Actually it's 4 because we need 1 small banana and 1 cup of strawberries, but they are all frozen, and we need 1 cup of yogurt. It can be all kind of yogurts, it doesn't matter, and we need honey. Yeah, it's a really easy recipe, but let's do it together. In our blender I will mix all of them and let's see how it's gonna be. I put the fruits first and the yogurt. Really? Yeah. And don't waste anything. Yeah. Little bit, not too much honey. Yay. And close it. While the machine working, please don't stop it at least for 5 minutes. Yeah, let's get started. Yeah, I guess it's okay. And I have a cup on the side and we will put it in the cup. Yeah. And afterwards we will put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Okay. Yeah, as I said before, I will put it in the fridge and we will wait for 2 hours. For now, see you. Gonna go to fridge.
2 hours later.
When you put out the ice cream, it should look like this. And it's a really cute color, as you can see. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and please like this video. Thank you and see you.